Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix IdleOn game crashing or crashing a startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC once your system restarts. Now try to launch the game and check. Yep. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already provided in the list description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game as admin. For that, open Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game installation folder. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. So here you have to search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So search for the game first. Here is the game application. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates and after that click on Windows update and this will take you to the Windows update page. Here to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, you should install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. After downloading it, open it and you will get repair or install option. So wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If the issue still continues, then you should reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall IdleOn game once again and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix IdleOn game crashing a startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.